Today, we're going to show you the amazing Himalayan village of Namche Bazaar, one of the surprising places you'll pass as you trek to Everest Base Camp. After some pretty intense trekking spots, you'll come to the village and you'll be so happy to see it way off in the distance. It represents a reprieve in the climb and a bit of civilization. This video is actually a walkthrough of the village, so you'll have an idea of what it will be like and what kinds of things you can do here. Our volunteer, Miles, hurried through the town, but if possible, try to take your time and use it as a well-deserved reward for the climb. It'll get a lot more intense from this point on, up to Everest Base Camp, so take advantage of the well-deserved break. You'll be at about 3,440 meters, so take stock in your health condition and be good to yourself. One big mistake many trekkers make is to rush out of the town to get on with their trek. If you have the time and budget for a few extra nights, I suggest you take some time to immerse yourself in this vibrant atmosphere. You won't have to worry about additional trekking because it's right on your way. Not only will it allow you a bit of a break from trekking, but it provides a unique opportunity to witness the rich cultural heritage of the Sherpa people. And who are the Sherpas? They're the people of this region of Nepal. Imagine being born so high up in the Himalayas. I know you'll enjoy meeting these people and interacting with them. They're quite hospitable and kind, and they seem to even have superpowers. They can accompany you and even lead the way with more than 40 kg on their back. Amazing for sure. As you wander through the narrow streets, you'll be greeted by colorful stalls with people selling a variety of goods, from traditional handicrafts to fresh produce. The aroma of the local delicacies wafts through the air, tempting you to indulge in the flavors of the region. Whether you're exploring the local shops, sipping on a cup of aromatic tea, or simply taking in the breathtaking mountain views, spending time in Namche Bazaar is an unforgettable experience. I hope you're enjoying our video here, and if you are, please hit the subscribe and like buttons so you can enjoy more of our videos, as that seems to be the best way to ensure that we'll come up on your feed. We have videos with informative tips on a myriad of subjects to keep you safe and getting the most out of your time in Nepal. As you may notice, we use almost 100% of our own video clips, or B-roll as they call it, on our videos. So I hope you're enjoying the lovely views. By the time you get to Namche Bazaar, which is about halfway up to the Everest Base Camp, you'll likely need to pick up some more supplies. If you have a problem with your equipment or anything, this town will be one of the only places you'll be able to take care of things. And if you started out trekking alone, this town may give you the opportunity to hire a local guide, just in case you're having second thoughts if you're attempting this as a solo trekker. Don't let anyone fool you. The EBC trek is quite challenging, but by the time you get to this area, you'll be rewarded with awe-inspiring vistas of snow-capped mountains and lush valleys. It's really like no other place on earth. What's it like in Namche Bazaar? Well, upon arrival, the lively atmosphere of the bazaar will capture your senses. Whether you choose to explore the surrounding trails, visit the local monasteries, or simply soak in the serene ambiance, spending time in Namche Bazaar is an enriching experience that will leave a lasting impression. This vibrant market town offers a plethora of experiences for travelers seeking a taste of authentic Serpa culture. As you stroll through the lively streets, you'll encounter a myriad of sights and sounds that showcase the local way of life. From the intricate wood carvings adorning the traditional houses to the warm smiles of the friendly locals, every corner of Namche Bazaar exudes a sense of charm and authenticity. Indulge in the local cuisine, browse through the vibrant market stalls, or engage in a friendly conversation with the Serpa people to truly immerse yourself in the essence of this enchanting town. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a curious traveler, spending time in Namche Bazaar promises to be a real high point to your trek.